and welcome to Alpha One. Before I send you to the video, this week I will give away free Bitcoin to you. This amount will be basically what I earn in CryptoTab for this week. So make sure you push that subscribe button, push like on every of my videos, and join my Telegram channel. And also make a comment with your Bitcoin wallet address and just a small text, whatever you feel for. I will pick a random video for this week, so it can be any of my videos. So if you can put on every video, that will be better for you. And if it is a success, I will do this every week. Now to the video. Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. First, remember to subscribe if you're a new user and push the like button if you're returning a new user, and make comments below. Also make comments below. Do you want me to start to make trading videos for crypto? Is that something you have interest about? Do you want to have a way you can trade crypto automatically? Is that something you have interest about? And also, would you want me to do trading live, where I'm doing live trading so you can just follow my crypto trading? If you have interest about anything about this, put a comment below. So, question about this video. Is it better to buy Chia right now or to mine it? That's actually a quite difficult question, because when you are buying crypto, I am not a type of person where I'm buying and holding. I'm trading crypto. The difference is I have many years experience with trading. I trade full-time Forex, and crypto I have traded for many years. But Forex is something I do full-time. So it's a little different between Forex and crypto. Crypto is moving much more, and it's much more emotions involved in crypto than it is in Forex. But still, it's quite possible to trade if you follow a few rules. So, would I buy Chia now just to hold, compare with mining? No. I would rather mine Chia than buy it, because basically if I bought Chia in the time was 1600, and you see now it's 800, if I just hold it, it's not a good deal, right? But if you are scalping, or at least follow a 4-hour chart, 4-hour I prefer, because fits a little better my trading style, because I'm not a scalper. Scalper mean that you basically are trading from 5 minutes up to like 30, even 1 hour can be a scalping. Then you basically are going in and out a trade in the basically the same day. I'm more day trader. I trade on 4 hour and up. No, typically I look first on 1 week, then I go to the 1 day, and I trade on the 4. But I see the trend on 1 day and 1 week. That's how I make my decisions about any type of trades. Like if for the ones that did see one of my videos, if you can remember, I can go to, so you can see, I think I still have the trend line here. I made a trend line here in Bitcoin, and I told that my target will be the red line up there. As you can see already from my trend line, we are higher up, so we have a higher value. This might go up and down, of course, before we reach my target zone. But my target zone is around 49,000. That's where I think will be an interesting point of area. The reason I show you Bitcoin is because basically Bitcoin and Chia move exactly the same. Just look at the screen you have here now. Put pause if you want to. Take a picture of it, just so you can see how alike Bitcoin is with Chia. So just remember this now. Now I'll open Chia. Is identical. You see, even you see this you see this one, this red one here. Let's see if I can mark it cross. You see, and no, I don't manage to cross it. You see one red bar there that is going much down, and you basically have the exact same in Bitcoin, exact same. So that's the thing, they move exactly the same. So actually you do not need to even to trade Chia. You can trade directly on Bitcoin and then move it over to Chia after, because Bitcoin will give you some more possibilities for trading, because there are more people trading it, so the spread will be a little less. Spread is basically, if you go here now to the broker, this is the broker I'm using, by the way. You'll find a link below the video to this broker. Now if the, there, okay, now it's open. Now it'll move me away. As you can see here now, we have buyers at 8.2130 and you have sellers in 8.25. That means you have a spread of around $4. That's basically the spread. That spread is basically what you have in between a buyer and seller. That's the spread. If you are doing a Bitcoin, then the spread is much more tiny, because you have more people interested about buying Bitcoin against dollar, for example. Chia, we need to remember, is a very new coin, because if you go back here now to here and we go to the watch list, we go to Chia, then we put on daily chart, then basically you get the idea. That's how old Chia is. It's a very new coin, so that's why it's not so many people that are interested about trading this yet, because it's not so it's Bitcoin is basically Bitcoin, right? It's the one that everyone wants. In the end, I will change all my Chia to Bitcoin basically, because I'm not holding Chia in long term. Of course, Chia can be popular, we don't know that yet. For all we know, maybe become a better option for mining on hard drives also than Chia. That's something I follow all the time. Right now, I don't see that, but any moment can come any other that copy and basically are more or less the same, but maybe give more profit on mining than this one. This we don't know yet, but Bitcoin is proven year after year after year. That's why we are holding holding Bitcoin, because in the long run Bitcoin will always go up. Yes, we'll have sometimes you have bear market, we go down. Like my beliefs, the next bear market we might be around 19,000 value on Bitcoin. But if you have told anyone like 3 years ago that you would have a Bitcoin 19,000 again, they would jump of joy, because then Bitcoin was down like 3,000. So that's the thing. Bitcoin in the end always go up, always go up. It's the safe thing to do. So I will put everything in Bitcoin, because if you buy Bitcoin a little by little and you're holding it, then you get a good average, and your average will be low. So let's say now that you bought Bitcoin at the high 60,000. Okay, if you did put all your money, okay, it's not so cool, because you might wait quite long time till we go past 60, but we will go past 60. So it's good investment if you have patience, because you need to have patience. But the way I do it, I put maybe, if I'm entering into Bitcoin, I put maybe 5%. Then I wait and I put 5% and I wait, because then you get a good average of the price. So even if Bitcoin then, if you bought in 60,000 and you go in when Bitcoin is around 19,000, then you get a good average. You get maybe average around in the end, before the next bull market, your average is maybe around 30,000. And then if Bitcoin then go up to 250,000, you have done a good job, right? So if you are smart yes, to buy Chia might be better than mining. But and also if you do like me, if you're trading on a 4-hour chart, right? And you go in, out, in, out. So let's say now, for example, let's say we have bought here now. We are now, and then we put, in this case, I will be in this trade still. And you can see we have a certain type of interest zone around, let me hold this thing. So just so you know how I trade, I would have entered the trade in the point where we go out of the trend line, the blue trend line you see cross down there. When we go for the first bar outside, I would enter with a trade. Then you see we go up, we did pass this support line, the resistance line that is now support, and you see it's a strong support. But if I see a bar close below this, I would close my trade and wait till we cross above it again. If not, we might go down. So then you're trading safe. So, and then you, in my case, I would have tried to get up to the 1412 level. When I reach it there, I would go out of the trade and wait till we go down again to another level of interest, buy in and hold and sell. In that way, I will, with the amount of money that I would invest in mining equipment like hard drives, if I put all the money I would invest in that instead in buying, selling, basically trading, I will in the end sit with much more Chia than I would with mining. And that's something I do on Forex, but I'm planning not to do with crypto also, like I did in the past, because I traded much in the past. I also have made a few robots that can trade for me. So, like I said, if you have interest about videos where I trade Chia, make comments below, because that's maybe the best way to do. So you get more Chia. Then you don't need to think about difficulty rate. You don't need to think about if a price go up and down, because we want the price to go up and down, basically. So in that way we can make Chia. If go up, down, we make Chia by the way. So if you want the videos like this, tell me in the comments below, because I'm just testing out what you all like. I see most of you like much about plotting, about how to do things about mining, and of course I'm going to continue with that. But this could be some extra type of videos where I'm also trading Chia, trading Bitcoin, and I can do some live sessions about that. We can, I can point out, I can even make our own Telegram channel for crypto, if you have interest about that, where I can give my entry levels, my stop loss levels, my take profit levels. If I choose to go out, I will tell that. If you want something like that, where I'm doing manual trading like that, if you want that, I can make a Telegram channel like that. Whatever you all want, I will do. So tell me in the comments below what you feel for. And also remember, in every comment put your Bitcoin address, because tomorrow I'm giving away the amount of Bitcoin I will have from my crypto tab browser mining. I see it's not too much, so don't have too much hopes. I think will be around only $5, but it's free $5 Bitcoin at least. And if you're smart about it, I know a few of you are going to join the pools, and then you will need a little Chia. So if I were you, send this Bitcoin, for example, to the broker you see below that I'm using, CoinEX. Change it to Chia, so you have Chia for the day you need, because you will need a fraction of Chia to join any pool. So with that, like and subscribe, and tell me what you want. If you want this type of videos, I will do it. Have a perfect day.